Welcome to Ikonospace and our third tutorial. In this video we'll show you some tips and techniques on how to use the software. We'll start building a space from scratch. Let's get started. On the main screen, see the learning control levels you created last time. However, this time we are going to create a custom environment. Create a new exhibition and select the editor level. Let's call it My Space. You should now see an empty space ready to be built on. On the right side of the screen, you can see the action bar. Click on the build icon, select Walls. Here you can adjust the height and the width of your walls. For now, left-click and change the width to 10 centimeters. And leave the height as it is at 3 meters. Click on Build. You should see a green sphere that follows the mouse onto the floor plan. Move the sphere to where you want to start the first wall and left-click. This sets the start point. You can then go any direction to the length you need. Left-click again, the first panel is created. Notice that there is a guide to help you position the walls at 90-degree angles. To free the mouse from the guide tool, you can press and hold the Shift key. The guide will also alert you when you are in a line with another wall section. This is very useful when you want to close your room or see the distance between walls. When a room is closed, you notice that the floor is automatically created. This is very important as you cannot place materials over the floor or put furniture if there is no floor. Closing a room also automatically exits the building mode. You can re-enter if you need to build further walls. You can stop building mode at any time by either clicking on the right mouse button or by pressing the Escape key. The recommended view for building walls is the 2D floor plan view. Adjust your view and instead of going back to the main side panel, click the B key to bring back your wall builder panel. Now it's your turn. Open a new exhibition and start building. If you have any questions, just ask at the comments below. In the next tutorial, we'll start decorating our space with colors and furniture. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on our social medias.